Hi, my name is Meg Griswold, and I am a middle school humanities and journalism teacher in São Paulo, Brazil, at Graded, the American School of São Paulo. And I'm currently taking a Global Online Academy course about online learning, and I'm taking it online. So I'm taking an online course about online teaching and learning, very meta. But in one of the modules, we've been learning about communication with students and wayfinding and really helping students find their way and track their progress. And there was a great article about ways that students can see their process through the learning activities, how you as a teacher can monitor their progress because you don't see them in person, and how they themselves can see how they're progressing through the different steps. So one suggestion was this Greenlight spreadsheet, um, about this idea of a spreadsheet with the green light system that, again, a green light means you can move forward. It's a very visible way to see what kids are learning. So I teach middle school journalism, and normally I start my journalism class with a 10-minute in-person check-in with a big poster with their names down in a column and then the articles they're working on. And I have my own system. I pencil for in progress, a check when they're ready for comments, a circle around the check when I've given them comments, and then marker is it's published to the website. So how do I do that if I don't have them in my classroom every other day? So I've created this spreadsheet here with a little key at the top. A red article is one that's they're still writing. A yellow, it means it's ready for my feedback and comments, and a green means it's ready to publish. So instead of going down the list on a poster, I can do it via this spreadsheet that students have access to and that I will use during our Zoom conversations. I will have this on my screen as I'm talking to students. So it's green if it's been finished and turned in and published and commented, ready to go. Yellow are things they've finished, completed writing, and they're waiting for my feedback. And red is what they're working on right now. So a student can see how they're progressing. And as I do that meeting where we check in about where they are on their articles, if someone says, oh, for example, if Alana says, oh, I'm done with Women in Mexico, I'm ready for your feedback, I would turn that yellow. And then I know the yellows are where I need to go. When I've given feedback and I feel like then when they say, oh, I saw your feedback, Ms. Griswold, I made all those changes, I can then turn it to green. The thing that's missing for me as the teacher in this behind the scenes is I need a way for me to know that I have successfully published it to the website. I'm a little bit worried that articles are going to fall between the cracks. So they're like, oh, well, I finished it. I made those changes. You said it was ready to go, but you still haven't published it. So maybe making it bold or changing the font size or the font itself, just so I know green means ready to publish, and then some other little tweak means has been published. And so kids can see their progress. I can see their progress. And they can watch themselves sort of move along this chart. This is my example of using a sort of a Greenlight spreadsheet to help kids and teachers track student progress through learning experiences or through the steps of a project. All right, thanks.